Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we have a 2018 RX 350. It's a Lexus. About 52,000 miles. About to perform a used car inspection. Oh my god. Get some lights so y'all can see that. I mean, that's not really a big deal though, the mess in there, because once it goes to detail and they get cleaned up, I'm just gonna open up all the doors, drop the windows, give y'all a look of the interior, leather interior. It's a bit of a mess in here, but of course once you get cleaned up it won't look like that. Check the seats, make sure they go up and down. Back cover. There you go. Let's see if this works. So the windows work from the switch. And the master switch, of course. So all the windows seem to be going up from the master switch, but the right rear. Might be a programming. I'm gonna double check it. So this is how I can know. Okay, so it's working from the door, so it might be the programming on the master switch. So I'll go ahead and see if I can reprogram it. I'll also show y'all in the video of me reprogramming the window on 2018 RX 350 Lexus. I mean, it's the same process for all Lexus, as far as I know. Also Toyota vehicles. So I'll be doing that to see if it's gonna need a master switch or if it just needs a reprogramming. Give y'all a look at the front of the vehicle. I mean, I like them. They look pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, this right front fender look like it's been hit. Can't see paint. They didn't do that much of a good job trying to hide it. I don't know if y'all see in here. This is spray over. I'm painting this fender and this bumper. This bumper was also painted. You see the blemishes right here. So I can just tell from looking at it that this but the left front fender and front bumper was repainted. The hood looks misadjusted. So that already lets me know that this car has possibly been in an accident or a fender bender. Of course, it's on the report. As you can see here, you can see the paint. You can see the paint that they sprayed. When they was painting it, they sprayed it all on the plastic. You can see all of that. Anyways, give y'all a look at the motor. The 3.5 2GR V6. Pretty torquey, I'll tell you that much. That motor grabs and go. Not gonna lie, that motor was spin tires. 2GR normally runs pretty well. So I forgot my tools to do my measurements, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tools and come back and finish the inspections, check the tires, check the brakes. So I'll be back. Okay, so I got my tools. Go ahead and Turn the wheel. Okay, check these tires. About 10 in the front. Front pads are low. It's kind of hard for me to show y'all on the camera, so I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can show y'all. I don't know if I can see what I see, but right in there, I can see that the pads are low. They're pretty much touching. I don't know if y'all can see what I see, but I tried to stick the camera in there best way I can, so y'all can get a peek at that. Tires in the front are pretty much brand new. Tires in the rear pretty much brand new. To be honest, this thing needs front and rear brakes. I don't know if you can see that also. I don't know if you can really see what I see, but it's pretty low. Front and rear. It also squeaks as I'm reversing, or even just lightly applying the brakes. It gives me a loud squeak. So that's one of the reasons why I kind of in my mind was like, I need to check these brakes really well, because I'm hearing this squeaking noise. It could be possibly low brake pads, which it has, but I still have to drive it, of course, to see if it's just the brake pads alone, that there's no brake pulsation. So we might have to resurface the rotors or replace them depending on how bad the rotors are worn. So on the test drive, I'll be able to determine if it's going to need to resurface the rotors. I mean, regardless, a brake job includes a resurface rotor. So it's more of me checking to see if it can be resurfaced or do it have to be replaced. So that's the more proper thing, I would say. Wow. Okay. So we know what the problem is on this door. The cable. So these windows, the regulator and motor runs on a cable, and every now and then the cable would pop. So that's pretty much what just happened. The cable in this right rear door popped, and that's why you see the glass fell down, or I don't know if you heard that weird popping noise just a while ago. That weird popping noise you just heard was literally from the... I don't know if y'all can hear that. The reason why I'm so close is because I want to see if y'all can hear that noise. You hear it? I hope y'all can hear it. So that's just the motor spinning, but the cables that works on the regulator and pulls the window up and down pretty much just broke. So it's gonna need a right rear window regulator. Go ahead and check these seats. Make sure they're going back and forth. So thought I was gonna be able to make a video of reprogramming the window, but there's no purpose in doing that now. Thing needs a regulator. So yeah, tires are pretty much brand new. Everything works. Fog light works. Only thing is that mirror. I'm gonna give y'all a look of the interior. Show y'all the back and let y'all see the front. Okay. Has GPS. I mean, my thing with Lexus, their interface, as far as in like the software they use for their radio and all of that, I don't like it. I find it kind of basic. I mean, if you're buying a Lexus, you're buying a Lexus because you want luxury, reliable. But at the same time, you also want a better display, you know. I mean, Toyota's been using this display for a very long time in the Lexus, and it's very plain and dry. I feel it's about time Lexus stepped it up with the interface and the software in their radio. I just find it super dry. But anyways, center console. You know, you have a selector here. You control things from the screen from this pad right here. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but that's me using the pad. Map, go back.
Pat asked for your prayers as we're going to starting the show for.
So, got sunroof, which I get a look at that. So, you know. I say they could have done more, of course, with their display, but this is pretty much got cooled seats, heated seats. So yeah, I'm about to take this on a test drive, double check the brakes because I did hear squeaking, so I'm gonna see if there's any pulsation. Finish writing my report and pretty much get the vehicle to a tech. Other than the basic interface with the radio, when I say it's not really basic, it's just pretty much dry. I'm just tired of seeing it. I've been seeing this interface for years. I've worked at Toyota for 5 years, so you know, and I also went to Toyota school, so I'm a Toyota Scion Lexus specialist, you could say. So that's why I say I've been seeing it for years. Even when I was in school training on Lexuses and Toyotas, it was the same interface. So besides that, I mean, these cars are torquey, they're quick, they're fast. I mean, the ride comfortability is just amazing. It's a Lexus. Comfort in your ride, always reliable, affordable luxury. It's expensive, but it's still affordable. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it on the road, see how it drives, finish up my report, and get on to the next car. So have a good one, y'all.